Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Mize bonus tools, which you can download from the Autodesk website. This video's topic will be on the Randomise Transform Tool. We have some objects here. They're all the same size, rotation. The only transform applied is a translate on the X, but that's just so we can see them clearly. Once you've installed Mize bonus tools, I have a tutorial on how to do so. We can actually go up to Bonus Tools, Modify, Randomize Transforms, the advanced one. And we're going to get this nice intuitive interface. The fun thing is that it's fully interactive. So as we move the sliders, we get a real-time update. So let's just increase the translate range. And now they're looking a bit more randomly placed. The multiply axis for each of these options will change which axes are affected. For example, if we type 0 into the Y, they go X, Y, and Z. Notice how when we do that, they're no longer being changed on the Y axis. Alternatively, we can type 10 or any value for that matter. So now you can actually see the Y axis will be randomized a lot. Let's just go ahead and set that back to the default. I'm going to set the rotation range to 360 so they can be rotated any value between 0 and 360. Increasing the scale range will randomize all the X, Y, and Z axes, and you might not want that. As you can see, some of the meshes are being squished and distorted. So to change that, all you have to do is check on Uniform Scale, which will scale everything uniformly. You can go ahead and click New Seed if you're not happy with your current result, and that's pretty much it. The Randomise Transform tool has a ton of potential and is a great tool to add some randomness to your scenes. Be sure to join the Discord server to chat with a great community of fellow modelers, and check out my Gumroad for access to the members only chat and a whole bunch of assets and tools. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.